A warm welcome to all of you. My name is Meera Manoj. I am a senior faculty of economics from IBS. Today we are going to deal with Indian economy and different sectors of the Indian economy. See, Indian economy is chapter 6 from economics from ABM. See, Indian economy, you know that it is a unique economy. Indian economy, it is a developing economy. It is one of the most fastest growing market economies in the world. We have contributed so many things to the world. So we should really be proud of being an Indian, isn't it? Okay, so let us go through what are the different sectors of the Indian economy. The first sector is agriculture and allied activities. This sector is considered to be the primary sector of Indian economy. The second sector is industrial sector, and this is the secondary sector. The third one is services sector, and that is the tertiary sector. Moving on to the next slide, we can see that agriculture and allied activities, it is the primary sector of the Indian economy. There are different components. They are agriculture, proper and livestock, forestry and logging, fishing and related activities. See, agrarian economy was the backbone of the Indian economy, but recently we can see that the trend has changed a little and agriculture has gone down and the other sectors have come up. So the share to GDP has been around 17% in 2008-9, and the workforce that is in this sector has been around 50 to 49%. But after the advent of the Green Revolution, there has been a tremendous development in this sector. This sector is very self-sufficient and we are happy that this sector is still growing. The next is industrial sector. This is the secondary sector of the economy. The different components of this sector are manufacturing, electricity, gas, water supply and construction. India's GVA, that is gross value addition, that is another type of accounting or finding the output. We can see that the industrial sector has around 33% in the GDP. And the workforce here in this sector is 22%. This is also one of the growing sectors of the economy. The third one is the services sector. The services sector is the tertiary sector of our economy. It is the largest sector of the economy. It includes different segments like IT, ITES, IT enabled services, telecom, banking, insurance, civil aviation, health, tourism, etc. And India ranks 11th in the world. And it is one of the fastest growing sectors in the economy. So these were the three sectors of the economy. Agriculture and allied activities, that is the primary sector. Industrial sector was the secondary sector and services sector was the tertiary sector. So I hope you have understood today's class and it was very informative to you. Thank you. Have a good day.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in next video.